and we can go inside and we can check here, and here I can go and let me go and create any folder. Here I will write EtherChannel lab. Okay, and now we can take here, I will right click and click here, add a node, go here, click this IOL, and this name you can give SW here. How many you need? Example, I need 4. And here change the icon. This is just icon like a image. Which one you like you can select. This image here look like a switch, so you can go down, you can see this is a switch. Keep all the settings same, only just change here, or you want to increase the interface here. You have here one port is having 4 interface. If you want more interface you can put 2. So if you put 2 interface, then you will have the 8 port. That's all. Click OK. So you have 4 switch. So we can do just now what we done. Here I can take 2, here I can take like this, and just now what we done here we can do here. 2 ports we can use, 2 ports. So this one 2 I selected, and here I can select like this. Okay, and this one I can select like this, and this way also I can configure EtherChannel, this 2 cable from here to here, and then I can connect from here to here, here to here. So this way we can do. So depend which scenario you have, what scenario you have, so we can configure. This way also we can configure, or better remove here below, maybe you will be confused. So this way we can do. This is enough. So now I will power on the device. Here I will power on the device, power on the device, power on the device, and here I can take the notepad. Here we can write EtherChannel mini project in EVENG. Okay, switch 1 configuration, switch 1 configuration, and I can copy paste here whatever I use here, so it will be easy for me. So let me take, I will modify whatever I want to change here. Just I taken here, I put here switch 1 configuration enable, and here E0 by 0. So here I will use E0 by 1. Okay, E0 by 0 dash 1. So this 2 interface I selected this one, and here I configure this one as a trunk. So here this is a layer 3 actually. This whatever switch we are using in the EVNG or GNS3, by default it is a layer 3. So you need to put this command. You need to remember, when you have the layer 3 you will write switch port trunk encapsulation .1q, switch port mode trunk. So these 2 command you should put. If you are using in packet tracer layer 2, okay, we can put only 1, but here even you are taking layer 2, it is by default it is layer 3 only in the EVNG. So these 2 command we need to put. Then channel protocol LACP, and mode I taken active, so this is good. And here if you see you have E0 by 2 and 3. So here I can write this one, we can copy this one, I can copy and I can paste here E0 by 2 and 3. So this is 2 and this one is 3. Okay, and here also I can make as a trunk. So I will copy this, I will paste here this, and then here I am using PAgP. So this site I can configure PAgP, no problem. And also here I started the switch. We can connect one more way also like this. You have here 4 ports. So let me connect. Just I want to make little more complex, like in real world we have that one. Just this 2 cable like this also we can connect like this. So in EVNG if you are connecting means you need to switch off the device, because we are using the community edition. Community edition is free of cost, but no worries, this is enough for us, so we can use this one. So now I will start the device. Just I will start. So configuration we need to write, that is important thing. So here you need to carefully observe. So this is a switch 1 E0 by 1 0 by 0. This one we done here, and here we are using LACP. And here below we have 2 things, E0 by 2, E0 by 3 you have. So this one from here to here. So this one we are using which one? PAgP. So this one is PAgP. Okay, you have one more also here. You need to check what is the link you have here. E1 by 0, E1 by 0, E1 by 1. So let me write down here that one. I can write interface range here, E1 by 0, give space, comma, give space, E1 by 1. This one only, right? So this one. Then here, which one you want to configure here? EtherChannel, you can configure LACP, PAgP, our wish. So here we taken this one, we taken LACP, this one PAgP, this one. In generally, we take LACP, all are LACP only in the company, or all are PAgP. But just for lab purpose to show you, I am using this. So anyhow, I will take this one only, PAgP only I am using. I put PAgP and desirable here. Okay, any confusion here? So this is one EtherChannel, this is another, this is another. So this one, the below one I am using PAgP, and this one I use LACP. So this is a switch 1 configuration. Let me copy and paste, so we will get like if we have any issue here, if we do any misconfiguration, we will get the error, so we can fix. So here I will just right click and paste it, so we can cross check here everything is good or any error. Here I pasted, so see no error, nothing, everything look good here. Okay, so here I can write here show EtherChannel summary, and you can see here I configure here 3, or how many we configure in this one, 3 we configure, right? Okay, 3 means I use PAgP only, so it mix here this one. Port channel I did not change, we should change the port number here. See, this is a mistake I done here. Let me show you. Misconfiguration we can say. This is a port channel number 1 I give, this one we give 2. Here I forget to change the number, I should give here 3. If I give here 2, then this one both will mix. So they done like that only, here 2 I give, so this should be 3. Okay, so now how we can remove? We can remove that one. So we can remove, or this one we need to remove. So let's go here in the global configuration mode. I will go here config T and interface range. What is the interface we have? That one I can select that interface. This one I can use this, and here I can paste, and here sorry, let me go here in the global configuration. I will go here and I will paste the command, this one, and here whatever comments I wrote I will remove. Switch port trunk encapsulation .1q, I remove this. No switch port mode trunk, I remove that, and after that what I put I will remove that also. I told here channel protocol, so no channel protocol PAgP, and no channel group 1 mode desirable. I wrote desirable, or what I wrote here, same thing, same command you need to write, only in the front of that one you need to write no. So I done that one. Let's see I remove or not, I need to check. I can check here, show EtherChannel summary, show EtherChannel. So I remove that one, right? So let's cross check what we have here. This E0 by 0, E1, E0 by 1. So this one E0 by 0, E0 by 1, this is good. And this is LACP, and this one is PAgP 0 by 2, 0 by 3, 0 by 2, 0 by 3. Okay, and PAgP, okay, this is good only. And here if you see we have down here, what you can see here, D means down only here, this one. Both are down because only one side we configure, other side we did not configure, that's why it is down only. And here also if you see S in the LACP, S is showing here, means suspended, because other side we did not configure. And you can see here W we have waiting for aggregation, this one. So this one also like a suspended only, they are waiting just for become the ether channel. So this is also not good, and this is also not good. So what we can do means we can write here, if you want to check show LACP count, we have this counter, this is one command, or show PAgP counter. Yeah, see, this is the troubleshooting command. You don't have in your syllabus, but in real world we will write show PAgP counter, and we will see here how many information we are sending, how many messages we are sending. So this guy, by using this port, he is sending till now he sent 12. This interface E0 by switch 1 interface E0 by 2, he sent 12 messages. Here you can see send, and this interface sent 12 messages, but he did not receive till now anything. So he did not receive till now anything means the opposite side is having some problem, because this guy is sending, I am here in this one, this port, this E0 by 2, and whatever I have here 2 and 3, these two ports we are checking, and we are saying that one, these two ports are sending the information, but he is not receiving the information. Show PAgP, and if we put question mark, we have the neighbor. So when we write here, you don't have any neighbor, show PAgP neighbor. So neighbor also not showing here, means something wrong here, maybe someone not configure properly here, that's why we are getting this error. So this is a troubleshooting purpose, like if we are getting like this Dawn and here S and this one, so what is the problem, we can check. So this side, because this switch is different place, this switch is different place, or this one both are in different places. So you want to check, maybe you are configuring here, other engineer is configuring here. So maybe that guy did not configure anything here, you configure here, and you are saying and nothing is working here, it is showing Dawn only. So then how he can check means he can type show which protocol they are using, they can type that one, show PAgP counts. So it will show here like 12 I am sending, but I am not receiving anything. Then after that you will say show PAgP neighbor. So who is my neighbor? So this device information should come here, nothing is coming means I don't have neighbor. And same like that for LACP also, you have show LACP neighbor. So LACP neighbor information is also not coming, show LACP counter, nothing is coming here. So something wrong we have, because in this switch we configure LACP PAgP. So something wrong means opposite side we did not configure. So this switch one configuration we done, 3 thing, one here, one here, one here. Now in switch we need to paste this one, still we did not paste I think. So we need to paste this one, let me copy and paste this in the switch one. So I will go to the config T here and I will write here show EtherChannel summary, and now you can see we have total 3 EtherChannel here. This is the LACP, this is by using PAgP this side, and this is another PAgP we done by using this one. Okay, but all are done not working, because here we did not configure, here we did not configure, here we did not configure. So now we need to do the other switch site configuration. So let me do here, I will copy the switch 1 configuration what we have, and we will modify and we will make for switch 2, or we can type manually one by one, but here it is easy, just copy and change. So you can write this is a switch 2, this is a switch 2, and here this one, okay, this one trunk, okay, this is LACP, this is one, we can write this one. This configuration look good, active you have both the side, so no problem. If one side active, other side passive, or if you have passive both side, then problem. Both active, no problem. So this one is good. And now you need to check here what you have 0 by 2 and 3, or what is that, you need to check here what you have here. Okay, this side is this one, and here what you have, you need to check, one side is this one, let me check this side, E0, E1 by 0, E1 by 1, so this one PAgP, and this one we can say 3, so this is good. And here 0 by 3 and 0 by 2, so 0 by 3 and 0 by 2, so this one is good. And this is a trunk, this is also good, and we are using PAgP, and we can give 2 here. So this configuration remains same, Okay, any confusion here? You feel any difficulty here? This is good or any confusion? I will explain if you face any problem here. No problem, right? So now I will take the switch 2. Okay, switch 2 I will take, and then I will paste the configuration here, and we can make sure everything is okay, no error, nothing. So this is good. Now we can do the switch 3. So switch 3 configuration is important now. So I will divide the notepad and I will write here, this is a switch 3. Let me take this whole thing. We will see if we can use this configuration and modify. So here first I will write switch 3 E0 by 1, and what is another port here? E0 by 0, 0 by 1. Here this one E0 by 0, 0 by 1. So this one is good. So this one, but here the other port we have only 2 here, 2 link. So other port, what is the other port you have? Other port here 0 by 2, 0 by 3, 0 by 2, 0 by 3. So this 2 is enough for us, this 2. But now we need to make sure which protocol we are using. So below side we use PAgP, both here and here, here and here, PAgP. So these both should be PAgP. So here also I need to configure PAgP, and here in PAgP you don't have active, you have desirable. So I will write desirable, and this one no need, right? Or only I need 2. Here we have only 2 link, 0 by 0, 0 by 1. So this one is no need, I think. Cross check, here I need 0 by 2 and 3, this one, and this is what, 0 by 0 and 0 by 1, this one. So this is for trunk and this is for PAgP desirable. So this look good. So let's paste the configuration and cross check here. Let me refresh this. Which one we have here? This one here. Okay, so let me copy paste from here to here and CLI of this one, and here I can paste. Okay, I done here. Now we can modify. We can take this same thing and here we can modify for switch 4. Switch 4 ports we need to cross check. Most of the thing remains same, I think, but anyhow here what is the port you have here, we can cross check here. Yeah, let's check here. 0 by 0 and 1, so this will be okay. 2 and 3, so this will be okay. And number you need to carefully observe here. Number should be not same, both you should not give 1 1. One should be, this should be 1 or this should be 2, something like that. So this is good. Here also 1 and 2, both are PAgP, so look good. So this configuration we can paste, and in case if we have troubleshooting we will fix out. Let's paste and check. Look good. Let's see. Here I will go. This is the switch 4 and now we pasted everything. Now we need to check. So it will take some time, or we can wait, or we can start checking that one. So let's go here. This is the switch 1. We can go and we can write here show EtherChannel summary. And now you should have the 3 EtherChannel. So let's see here. This is a P of 0 SU. So here you can see, or let me make big. So here let's see. So here how we can do. S means layer 2, U means in use, this one capital U. 1 2 3 we configure, and one is a LACP, other 2 are PAgP. In this one 2 ports, in this one 2 ports and 2 ports you have P. P means bundle in port channel. So this is good. Switch 1 is good, no issue here. Then let's go to the switch 2 and check here. I will write here show EtherChannel summary, and we can see here also. So this is also good. SU means layer 2 and U means in use. One we configure LACP, remaining PAgP. We mix up here, and here you can see PPP inside. So this is also good. Switch 2 is also good. Let's see for the switch 3. Okay, so switch 3 we can write show EtherChannel summary, and here you can see you have only 2 here in the switch 2, and here good. Both are using PAgP, and PP means good here. This one, these both are good. Now I can go for switch 4, and we can do here show EtherChannel summary, or I can do like this and press again. See here also good. You have SU PAgP. You have here this port P of 0x0P, 0x1P. So everything is good here, no issue now. Any confusion, any doubts here?